Hello friends, welcome to Sophia's play area. Before the toys arrive, I need to quick visit the craft store to get some supplies. But first, I need to withdraw money from the ATM. Let's start by confirming my fingerprint. Now I will take out my bank card. And done. Let's go shopping. Hello, Mr. Fox. I need supplies for Sophia's play area.
Look around and let me know what you need.
I need colored craft papers.
Here we have sparkly craft paper, thicker paper for stronger crafts, thin craft paper for easy cutting.
There I am. Good morning, friends. Sophia is not here?
No, not here yet.
Okay, I think I will take the whole pack.
Okay, and look, I found some great scissors too.
Mr. Fox, how much do I owe you?
That will be 100 coins, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Screamed. Sophia is punctual.
Good morning, friends. Sorry, I am late. I was at the store getting something special. But first, let's count everyone to make sure we are all here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Everyone is here, so we can start our lesson.
Sophia, what did you bring? What's your plan?
I brought some exciting craft supplies. Today, we are going to make a windmill. We will need scissors, colored craft paper, glue, a straw, a pin or needle. Each of you can choose your own scissors. Now, let's begin making our windmill. Now, let's see who they got. Wow, this one makes baby lines. That looks amazing. First, we fold the paper into a square. Next, we cut 4 slits from each corner toward the center. As you can see, I have made 4 cuts. Now, we gently fold the corners inward. I have glued the corners together. Now I need a straw and needles. Finally, we attach the windmill to a straw with the pin. All done. Now, watch it spin. Your windmills look amazing, everyone. Great job. Now that our crafting time is over, you can play with some puzzles while I prepare lunch.
Delicious bananas.
Today's menu: fresh salad, grilled sausages. Let's start by preparing the vegetables for the salad. We have vegetables. Now I will cook. I will grill. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One for each of you. Lunch is ready. Come to the table, everyone. Enjoy your meal and then take a nap.
I am tired.
Me too.
Let's tuck everyone in for a nap. Sleep well and have sweet dreams. Friends, I hope to see you in the next episode. Bye. Like, share, subscribe. Love you all.